So this is a Droideo shot by me. Yes.
It's on the agenda.
We have to resolve a lot of stuff.
Okay. Yes.
Oh. A lot of issues that we need to address. Like crackers. Crackers and
I would
maps.
love to sit on the
Crackers and
rock.
maps.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. Nico, what do you say when this is? What do you say when this is right here?
Hi, Grandma.
She knows. That's right. What else do you say?
Say, hi, Grandpa.
That's right. Very
Yeah.
good. You have taught her well.
That's right. Trained her well.
She
How
thinks
about-
this
And then what do you do?
is her grandmother.
What else do you do?
Do the snowman.
The snowman.
She remembers Grandma.
Oh, we read that at
Oh,
Grandma's
really?
house.
Oh, wow.
Snowman book.
Huh.
Want to blow them a kiss? Blow them a kiss in the black rectangle.
Sounds like a marching band.
Go ahead.
The high school.
Ready?
Did you spit the kiss at them?
Let's do it together, okay? Ready?
Do they have games on Friday nights? Saturday nights?
That's right. High five. Good job. Give yourself
She
a high
high-fived herself.
High five herself.
Hey, Nico, can you shake hands? Very good. Very good.
Shake hands.
There's the Southwest Museum that we just drove by.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Remember that tower?
Okay,
that
bye,
was
Nico.
Oh.